guys, my name is Salisha and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a how to style some basic pieces kind of video for you guys. So basically I've chosen 5 different basic pieces from my wardrobe, and also I asked on my Instagram if you guys can name a few basic wardrobe pieces from your own wardrobe, and I've actually incorporated some of your basics too. So I have totally chosen 5 basics. So thank you so much for everyone who suggested their own wardrobe basics. So I made it a point to eliminate the absolute basic pieces that everyone talks about, like jeans or a plain white t-shirt, because I think at this point we all kind of know how to style super basic pieces, but these basic pieces, they are still very basic. Yet some of us might not have it in our wardrobe. So I really hope that this video maybe inspires you to buy some of the basic pieces if you don't have it in your wardrobe already. Let me just show you the basic pieces that I've chosen for this video, and then we can move on to how I style them. The first basic piece that I have chosen is, and this one is from my wardrobe, and if you guys know me, then I don't think this will come as a surprise, which is a basic striped t-shirt. So this one is a cropped one, but I will be showing you 2 different striped t-shirts. So my second basic piece is a denim piece, and it's a denim culotte. So if you guys don't know what a culotte is basically a palazzo, which is like parallel pants but cut just below the knee. So culottes is like a 3/4 pants version of a palazzo, and this one is a denim palazzo. And I just feel like denim anything instantly becomes a basic piece, because just that you can style it in many different ways. Now my third basic piece is another denim piece, and it's a very well fitted denim jacket. So this is my denim jacket over here, and this is my absolute favorite denim jacket, guys. I absolutely love the wash and the color, and just everything about it is just super awesome, and I love this denim jacket. Now my fourth basic piece is one of those pieces that you may or may not have in your wardrobe, and that's why I thought that it was super necessary for me to include it, because I think that this piece that I'm about to show you guys is definitely something you should have in your wardrobe. It's a nice bodycon. So this one is a red bodycon top that I have. Obviously you can, you know, have a bodycon in any color. Okay, now quickly moving on to the last piece, which again I feel like most of you might have this, but some of you may not have this, and I really think it's another piece that should definitely be in your wardrobe, and it's a bodycon dress. So this is just a plain body fitted bodycon dress, and it's just a plain black one, but I also have a blue one and a red one and all that, because I just feel like bodycon dresses sometimes are really super helpful when you can't decide on what to wear. It's just a great layering material, and also I feel like these kind of bodycons, the one that comes like in a camisole material, is something you should definitely have in your wardrobe, because not just for days when you can't find anything to wear, but sometimes, you know, when we buy clothes, especially dresses, when they turn out to be a little too transparent, you can definitely wear a bodycon underneath. So those were all the 5 must-have pieces that should definitely be in your wardrobe. Now let's move on to how I styled them.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. But I know you'll get all the minute. You notice all your fingers pruning up.
That's it, guys. Those were all the looks that I created with the basic pieces that I had in my wardrobe. I really hope this inspired you to try out new styling ways. Do let me know in the comments down below what other kind of videos you would like to see from me, guys, because I would really love to get your suggestions. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday. And that's it, guys. Give this video a huge thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!